Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here at Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway, here at Merben's Tapsilogan. Ayan, pag sinearch nyo po yan sa Google Maps, no? This one is Laurel, Batangas. Dito lang siya, kahilera ng Tagaytay Twin Lakes, no? So nandyan po yung ating property, and mamaya ipapakita ko yung ating floor plan and yung ating gagawin dito na house package, no? Perfect na perfect for retirement or for business. It depends to you guys, but I assure you that this one is 600 meters above sea level, very cold weather, very accessible, and meron tayo dito na clean title, ready for transfer anytime. So yung ating package here is for 25 million, all in siya. Kasama na yung permits, kasama na yung ating construction, kasama na yung ating architectural and yung ating structural permits, no? So andyan lang yung Tagaytay Taal, as you can see guys. Ayan. And yung property is just at the back of Merben's Tapsilogan. Ayan siya. And dito guys, one with nature ka talaga, no? Kasi marami dito mga trees wherein you could relax after a long city stressful work, no? Punta ka dito in your weekend for your retirement. So ito yung plan that we plan to make on this one. And ito naman siya, may basement po yung ating property. And perfect na perfect siya kasi yung slope ng ating property is medyo ano siya, sloping, no? So andyan yung 315 square meter. Meron din diyang house na sa kabila, sa may tapat niya na may pool. Ayan. So wala ritong problem for water and electricity. So yan guys, observe nyo lang po muna yung ating property para ma-visualize nyo yung ating plano dito. Nga pala guys, dito meron siya sa tapat ng Merben's Tapsilogan high-end subdivision. Dito po yan sa Tagaytay, no? Tagaytay ang kanyang branding, but yung mismong location niya is Laurel, Batangas. Ayan. Ayan guys, so dito pala mayroong mga business dito sa tapat, mga laundry shop, mga wellness center, convenience store, RCBC Bank. Ayan, nandiyan sa may tapat. Then itong sa kabila is yung high-end Tagaytay subdivision. So lahat ng kailangan nyo for your everyday needs is nandito. May mga palengking malapit. And then at the same time, may mall din. Mayroon dyan yung Twin Lakes, may Robinson Smart doon. Ayan. So ito yung ating property. And nga pala guys, dito, if wala kayong car, bawa tinatamad kayong mag-car, may dumadaan dito na bus going to PITX Pasay. Tapos kung galing naman kayo ng Pasay, sakay kayo ng Nasugbu na bus, DLTB. So bababa rin yun dyan mismo sa property. So ayun guys, I hope that you like this one. So kung meron kayong mga inquiries or mga kailangan, nandyan yung Viber WhatsApp ko. So you could message me so that I could assist you on your dream property. So yun lang guys, once again, this is John Rich. I hope to see you soon and let's make your dream house together. Yun lamang, salamat po.
Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are here on Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway. So ayan, nag-car tayo going to this property. Meron tayo ngayon na new property natin na i-open, 314 square meter, clean title, ready for transfer. Andito lang yung landmark guys, Merben Tapsilogan, ayan siya. Tapos the property is overlooking view of Taal. So we are planning to build this one, ito po sa gilid. So all in siya guys, for only, tapos free transfer title na din po, and we will include the house, and then there's a car park. So I will show it to you, maglalakad tayo. So this one is accessible by car or motorcycle or public transport dahil marami pong mga bus dito. Meron ding bangko, ayan. So may mga pasalubong. So ang landmark, Merben's Tapsilogan, ayan. So ayan guys, yung Merben's Tapsilogan. And then yung properties nandito lang sa tabi. So overlooking siya. Ang plano natin guys is the property itself is dimensions po niya ay 35 meters by 9 meters. And then we are planning to build for the house is 20 meters by 9 meters. And then for the parking area niya naman is 15 meters by 9 meters. So yan siya. Ito yung Merbenz, ayan. Yun yung papunta ng Twin Lakes dyan. So dito lang tayo guys, kakanan lang. Ayan. So kasya dito 2 cars, 2-way po yan, kalsada from the highway. So perfect to guys if you are planning to have a property for Airbnb, investment. Na, ito guys oh. Look at this paradise. Yan siya guys oh. Alright. Ayan oh, overlooking yan na mismo yung Taal guys oh. Ayan siya oh. O ayan yung Taal Lake. Tapos ayan yung Taal. Ayan oh, kita nyo ba? Ayan siya, teka ayusin natin. Ayan guys oh, ayan yung Taal. Ayan. Tapos ito yung property. Andyan oh, ayan oh. 35 meters. Pataas po yan dyan. By 9 meters. Ayan. So ayan oh. Ayan yung Merbenz Tapsilogan. Okay. So bababa tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung property. So ang ganda sa kanya guys is very slope siya, overlooking talaga siya. Tapos ito may daan dito. Ayan. Marami ring mga kapitbahay, may linya ng kuryente, may linya ng tubig. So ayan siya. Ayan kung makikita nyo guys. So, ito na mismo yung lot. Nandiyan na yung simula. Tapos pababa yan, 35 meters. Ayan. So ang total is 314 square meter clean title. Okay. So this is where we'll be building the house and the parking, no? So yan, napakaganda. So bakit siya 20 million lang? 'Di ba normally pag overlooking mga 25 to 30 million. So ang target natin is that for investors magkaroon sila ng affordable property na pwede for business and at the same time for retirement. So yeah, yan yung Taal Lake. So ito na mismo yung lot guys ha. Ayan, nandiyan na yan. So yan, grassland siya, makikita nyo. Ayan siya. Oops. Okay, ayan siya. Kung makikita nyo yung sloping, ayan siya mismo. Alright, andun mamaya papakita. Yung papaya na yan, yan, 9 meters by 35 meters. So dito natin gagawin yung 20 by 9 meters na house dito. So dun lang yung highway. Tapos dito natin gagawin yung parking, 15 ang taas, tapos 9 meters. Para buhos siya. Meron dito yung mismong daan, ile-level natin yung parking para dyan kayo magpa-park. Tapos meron siyang basement. Tapos yung dito naman sa 20 by 9 meters, dito naman magagawin natin yung house is this one. Ganyan yung design. So yung floor area, ang target natin is around 200 square meter. Okay. So syempre pag sinama mo yung parking, 250 na yan. Okay. So ito na. Yan yung overlooking natin na view. Itong mangga pwede natin putulin para overlooking talaga kayo sa Taal. Yan siya. So simula guys yung papaya. Ayan. So ayan, overlooking niya pag pinutol niyo yung mangga tsaka yung avocado. Tingnan niyo yung avocado na to. Ayan oh. Sobrang daming bunga. Ayan guys oh. Kung makikita nyo, ang lalaki ng bunga ng avocado. Ayan oh. Tapos ayan, ang dami niyan guys. And then ito na mismo yung lot. Ayan. Diyan natin gagawin yung parking dito. Tapos dun sa taas yung house para overlooking talaga. Tapos dito guys, may house din dito na mga ayan, target din nila overlooking. Pag yung mga ganitong house naman, naabot na ng mga 35 million. Ayan. So ayan, nandito guys ah. Ayan oh. Diyan na yung Taal ha. Ayan, overlooking yan. So ayan, ito yung avocado plant. So dito sa puno ng papaya guys, meron ditong daan tao. Pwede ka bumaba para masilip mo yung property. Ayan o. Ayan na mismo yung lot. Ayan. Pag ganyan yung sloping niya guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan doon yung Merbenz Tapsilogan. Ito naman yung mga hotel. So ayan. Ito siya guys. Mayroon na yan dito eh. Bali, clean title siya. 9 meters dyan pa highway. Pag ganyan. Tapos 35 meters naman doon. Ayan. So ayan. Napakaganda no. Overlooking guys. May isa kayong kapitbahay doon. Ayan. So ayun guys, if you are interested on this property, ayan, message nyo lang ako. Hindi lang napagpalipad ng drone dito pero super overlooking to guys. And this one is one of the best properties here on Tagaytay. So yun lang guys, ito ulit yung magiging design ng house natin, ang ating plan in this property. So yun. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog guys. Bye bye. Overlooking view guys. Ayan yung Taal. Ayan yung Taal Lake. Ayan yung property. Andun. Andun lang. Ito yung Merbenz. Tapos si Logan.